Hey, so this is the new app that I was talking about today. So essentially, what's going on here is we've got a subdomain, and that'll determine the site. So if I switch subdomains here, and I'm just on page two, if you look at what I've set up here, is I've got two apps, and in the second one, or this not two apps, but two accounts really, and the subdomain is app one and app two, and this one's got a theme and a style to it. And this theme that I have called Boot Swatch uh, has several different styles into it. So that would be kind of like switching colors or so on and so forth. And you can have a whole bunch of them. But anyway, and each of the account has a couple of pages. So account one or app one has these pages named one and two, and I gave them these nice little friendly IDs so they can be slugs, but you can refer to them. But the whole idea is that you can go to the pages here, and what we'll do is we'll get rid of this part of the URL at one point, so it'll look like that. But you can hit name two, and based off of the subdomain, which is app to it, you'll go to a different page per that person's site. So, but for right now, we'll go to it. So this one right here, put pages. So we've have this particular page here, and I just have it telling me which one it's on just to verify that it's going to it. And so if I go to page three, she could be page three. And then if I switch to app one doesn't have a page three, so it should give me an error. But if I switch to page two now, it's using the different templated theme in here. So it's loading that automatically and dynamically for us. So pretty much what we'll do is have this as a selectable item that's user selectable, and they can save it at will. So if I go ahead and say we create another one in here, and we'll just copy this one, and we'll call it account three and app three, and we'll give it a couple pages, but let's also give it a theme. We'll continue on with the boot swatch theme because that's the only one I have loaded in there. And then we'll give it a style of, I don't know, we'll call this one journal. So I'll just go JUN. I have to go ahead and make that a variable too. So let's go. Okay, cool. We'll save that one in there. And let me just reset the database real quick to load that in. Oh, we didn't add some pages to it, did we? That's okay. That's not hard to do. 3, 3, 3, and we'll call this 1, 2, 3 down here also. Just kind of a little area where I'm experimenting. This isn't, obviously for production kind of stuff. But anyway, let me reset the database again, and we'll go ahead and reload the server. And we'll check it out again. So if I reload it now, it looks okay. App 1, name 2, and then if we go to app 3, that should be an entirely different theme. Oh boy, it's clocking. Okay, cool. It is a different theme. That worked well. I think it was taking a long time because it had to cache the very first time, which is cool. I just have to compile everything. But now if we go to page 1, we hit page 1 and page 3, it's fine. But if I go to app 4 now, what happens is app 4 isn't a domain that we have listed in here. So that's okay. We'll have that redirect at some point. But what'll happen is if you say you go to the top level domain, which is just going to be localhost, it goes to the website's root domain. So that would be like, whatever domain we're using for it. So you'd have your sign up and login pages here and whatever information you want about the rest of the site. And then as soon as the person started hitting their subdomains like this, app1.ex.local, that's how it would work. And I could show you maybe if we load this guy into here, and let's just do, and we'll have this one loaded up. We'll do 127. Oh. Insert 127.0.0.1. I'll just do ex.local. I think this will work. I don't know if it will or not. I don't know if I'll see it as a subdomain or not. And then we'll just flush the cache again and come back here and see if it loads it. Yep, it did. Okay, so then the subdomain would be app1, right? And then the regular domain is here. Cool. So that seems to be working. I know it's like crazy pre-alpha, but that's what I was trying to explain over the phone just now, is how that is kind of integrating together. But anyway, let me know if you have some questions. I'll talk to you later. Bye.